Hi there. Today we're looking at the Jabra Evolve2 65 headset, which is actually what I'm wearing. And Jabra, as you probably know, is the leader in unified communications, and Jabra's Evolve series has sold millions and millions of units since it first was released in 2014. So the Evolve 2 is the second generation of those, and this is the model 65. So certainly the headsets come in a range of models. The 75 is earbuds, the 40 is a corded headset with volume and mute controls on the cable. Now you might say, well, hang on, you have a cord here now. I do, but this is also a Bluetooth and battery-powered headset. I have it plugged in because I was a bit too impatient to wait for it to fully charge. But in this very nice, soft carry case that Jabra give you to put your headphones in, you'll see a little USB adapter. So if you don't have Bluetooth on your device, this adapter will allow you to have pair with a headset. So I'm using the headset now, and it's certainly very comfortable. These are very soft. I'll just take this off for a moment so you can see the amount of turn that it has. So very comfortable, very nice soft leatherette. You can see, for those who might get a bit lost, left and right, big give there, very flexible. Yeah, some buttons on the side. Don't know how much of what I just said then was picked up, but definitely, hopefully you saw a lot of options of tilt and very comfortable, a lot of give. Yeah, very nice. Also this boom microphone, if I lift it up past a certain point, it will automatically mute itself and it'll say mute in your ear, so you know, and then when you put it back, it'll unmute. So if I lift it up, unmuted, here we go. So there you go. Yeah, so the Jabra Evolve2 65 series headset will give this a good look over, but definitely it's a wireless and wired option headset that comes with a very nice soft case, comes with a wireless adapter. It's soft, comfortable, designed for all-day use in an office environment. Certainly you don't have to use it in an office, you can use it for many reasons, but definitely it's designed to be a business grade, enterprise grade headset, and it's certified for Microsoft Teams, certified for Lucent, Avaya, Cisco, Unify, and other conferencing platforms as well. So, in this days of working from home and pandemics, don't let "can you hear me," things like that be chewing up all your time. Have a good professional headset like the Jabra Evolve 265, and not only can you hear people, not only can they hear you, but also it's almost like you're wearing nothing at all. It's very comfortable, very soft, and definitely designed for long all-day use without making your ears hot or hurting. It's very easy on the head, and yeah, very durable materials to last a long time. So this is a Jabra Evolve2 65, and we will give this a good going over. Thank you.